Shugs, Miss Half Tilt. How are you? Whatever they call you.
Good, how are you?
So guys, this is Mariah, my lovely girlfriend. It's also Ed's niece, Miss Full Tilt's niece. And today's a special day. Today, well, first of all, we're in the 6-0. We just got lunch with RK Bauer. If you guys don't know him, he's one of our subscribers. Great guy. Anyway, now we're headed to Full Tilt's house to run the 304. Mariah and Miss Full Tilt are both gonna get on the machine and try to run it. Hopefully nothing gets broken. Hopefully we make it there alive with Mariah driving. At least this truck's small though, huh Mariah? You'll be alright with this one. You know, you have driven bigger. And Uncle Eddie has let you drive stuff since you were a little kid, has he not?
He has.
So how many things have you crashed?
A couple.
A couple? Well, let's talk about that.
No, I don't
No, we don't talk about that. Well, hopefully we don't crash any of Ed's stuff today. If not, well, it is what it is, right? He'll pay for it. Right, he'll pay for it.
That's right.
Well, we made it to Full Tilt. Hey, Mariah. We stopped and picked up Big Bird and got rid of the 6-0. So, Mariah, go ahead, move the truck. Guys, we're gonna show Mariah and Miss Full Tilt how to run the machine. So Mariah's just gonna get rid of that 450, park it over there. Say hi.
Hey, Brandon, what's up, man?
What's up, Ed?
Bernadette was just asking me to show her how to run the machine a little bit more.
Hi, Miss Full Tilt, how are you?
She wants to be able to do more than just drive it and spin around in circles.
There you go.
Just,
So we're saying we might have 2 more new Full Tilties.
yeah, well, we'll see if
No?
Mariah wants
There we
to hop
go.
on there too. I know she's been running her, hey Mariah. I know she's been running yours over at the farm some. So yeah, we'll get Mariah on here too.
Hey, Ryan.
All right, practice time. Look at you, Bernadette. Maybe you won't crush the wheelbarrow this time.
Yeah.
I know. We'll see.
So, on the way over here, we were talking about the crashes at the Bolins. Mariah doesn't want to talk about it, but
Mariah has had several crashes here.
Bernadette's had some crashes. I've had a few crashes here. Ed, you've had a few.
Yes, yeah. Well, just not too long ago, we rolled side by side over there.
Yeah, I took out my fender the other day in my brand new truck. That was just 2 days ago.
I'll never forget when Ryan was like 8 and she crashed the golf cart into the side of the barn.
Yep, yep.
Is this true, Mariah?
It helps sometimes if you talk to yourself. Like if you say right hand, knowing what right hand does. And then left hand.
So now we know what Ed does all day. He talks to himself.
Yeah. Well, I'm trying to teach somebody how to talk.
So how do I get this to go out?
Out? Right hand. I mean your left hand. It's so hard to tell somebody how to run a machine when you just do it.
All right, Mariah, it's your turn now. Come on in there, bud. Stick this right here. All right, so I know you're trained. This one right here. Alright, let her rip, tater chip. Let her rip, tater chip.
Okay,
Mariah's very camera shy.
I am.
Come on, send her, bud.
Towards you. Towards you. Away.
There you go.
You ride.
Alright, so now we're going to set up an obstacle course. Well, we already set it up. We have 2 cones set up. And Ed, take it from here. What's the plan?
I'm going to try and have her do a figure 8 around these cones without touching them.
And what happens if you touch them? If you touch them, what happens?
Well then,
You're fired?
Yeah.
Where am I hired?
You're not very full tilt if you hit them.
What levers do you pull for that?
Everyone, just pull them off.
Oh! Alright, Mariah, so come in. Now go down.
It is so hard for Ed.
I don't want you to crush that though.
Okay.
What I want you to do is, I want you to come over here, and I want you to push that one down. And then we're going to out with this one as you keep going down. Open the bucket. Now, swing over here. Open the bucket more. Out.
Oh, so good.
All right, Mariah, let's let Uncle Eddie get on there and show these guys what we're actually trying to do. All right, is that fair?
Yeah.
All right, let's do that. Come on, Ed, you're up. All right, so we're gonna show you guys, the reason why we're showing you this, I should say, is this right here is the way that Ed actually taught me how to run a machine. Ed's dad used to do that with him, his sisters. So this is the way that we feel.
It's basically just to get a feel of the controls of the machine. It does not make you an operator. It does not make you able to dig. It makes you have a feel of how the machine's going to react, how it controls, so you have a hold of the machine. Cool?
Cool.
It makes you an operator. It does.
Vern, how good a life insurance you got?
Got a lot on the head.
Enough to take him out?
Yes.
I'm even good at painting lines. That's pretty good.
Pretty soon, Vern, you'll be able to dig the hole for Ed, you know?
I think I can already do that.
What do you need? What do you need? $1,000 a day?
$1,000 a day, and I'll come cheap.
You'll come cheap.
Well, Bernard, did you have fun today?
I did. It was awesome.
Nothing got broke at least, right?
I think I smashed that cone.
How many times? Once, twice?
Oh, there's a third.
Well, Mariah, thanks for joining us.
Of course.
Just having a little fun on a Sunday afternoon.
Sunday fun day, right?
That's right,
That's
Sunday
right.
fun day.
Well, guys, we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Rich from RK Brower, thanks for coming to lunch with us. We had a great day. Ed, he ditched us, but whatever.
Hey, I had to go for a hike with the wife.
That's right, with the boss.
That's right.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.
Later, Tater.
Bernard, you're supposed to wave.
Go to Mrs. Full Tilt.